Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan, or let's just say magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I'm Abigail Guanito-Durante and thrilled to be your tour guide today as we explore the captivating province of Leyte in the next 5 minutes. We're going to uncover the richer cultural heritage, visit some famous landmarks, savor delicious local food, and dive into some intriguing historical trivia. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start our journey in Leyte vibrant cultural heritage. One of the biggest celebrations here in Pintados Kasadyaan Festival, held in June in Tacloban. This festival honors the traditional of Pintados, our tattoo warriors, through lively dance, colorful costume, and scenic street paradise. Imagine the street filled with the beautiful beats of drums and the joyous laughter of Filipinos celebrating our rich history. Leyte is also known for its beautiful handicrafts, from woven textile to integrate wood carvings here in Leyte. Artisans use traditional technique passed down with generation to create stunning work of art. If you visit local markets, you can find unique souvenirs that capture the spirit of our islands. Let's not forget our traditional dances. The tinikling is a well-known folk dance that involves two bamboo poles, dancers skillfully navigating the move poles showcasing their agility and grace while celebrating our heritage. Next up, the iconic San Juanico Bridge is the longest bridge in the Philippines connecting Leyte to Samar, stretching over 2.60 kilometers. Is not just engineering marvel. It's offers the breathtaking view of the San Juanico Strait. Locals often say that you haven't truly visited Leyte until you walk across the bridge. It's the perfect spot for stunning and photos. Now let's visit the Leyte Landing Memorial Park. This site commemorates General Douglas MacArthur returned to the Philippines during World War II. The park features grand moments. Now, let's just lay Now let's visit the Leyte Landing Memorial Park. This site commemorates Now let's visit Leyte Landing Memorial Park. This site commemorates General Douglas MacArthur returned to the Philippines during World War II. The park features grand monument and sculpture that remind us the bravery and sacrifice made during the war. It's a place of reflection and gratitude for our freedom. You can feel the weight of history here as you stand on the very grounds this monumental event took place. And for those and for those seeking paradise, Kalangaman Island is a hidden gem, known for its stunning white sandbar and crystal clear waters. It's perfect for a relaxing day of swimming, snorkeling, or simply soaking in the sun. The, s- the island beauty is so captivating that many locals claim it's a slice of heaven on earth. After all the exploring, it's time to include in some delicious local cuisine. One of dish you can miss is binagol, a sweet delicacy made from mashed taro, coconut milk, and sugar, all wrapped in coconut shell. People often share this delightful treat during special occasions and gatherings. It's truly a taste of our culture. Another favorite is sinigang na baboy, a savory pork soup with a delightful sour flavor from tamarind. It's the perfect comfort food. Imagine you enjoy the warm bowl while sitting the beach as the sunset its pure bliss. And let's not forget our famous lechon. Its beautiful roasted pig is the start of Filipino celebration and it's not just delicious but also a feast for eyes. If you find ever if you ever find yourself at fiesta, make sure to savor this treat. Pair it with some pancit, our traditional stir-fried noodles, and you've got a feast fit for a king. Alright, time for some fascinating trivia. Did you know that Leyte was the site of the first alien landing in the Philippines during World War II? This historical event marked a significant turning point in the war and solidified Leyte's place in history. General MacArthur famously declared, "I shall return," and I truly he did, changing the course of history for the Philippines. Here's a fun fact. The name of Leyte comes from the Spanish word leyte, which means to float. The early Spanish explorers were amazed by natural beauty and lush landscape they encountered here, inspiring them to name it according. Additionally, Leyte is known also a land and brave, a tribute to the Filipino resilience and strength through history. And there you have it, a brief glimpse into the enhancing world of Leyte. From its rich cultural heritage, its captivating sight, and mouth-watering flavors, Leyte truly is a treasure worth exploring. I hope this virtual tour has inspired you to learn more about our beloved province and perhaps even visit one day. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, safe trail, travelers.